Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I want to show you just how easy it is to clean this Power Smokeless Grill after grilling burgers on it or anything else. So I'm going to remove the lid. I've allowed this to sit and cool for a minimum of 30 minutes because you don't want to burn your fingers. So we're going to take it apart. Let me show you. It's kind of, I hope you can see how nasty that is. Set that in the sink. I'm going to pull the heating element off. You can see the grease has already gelled some in the pan. Take our drip tray out. I'm going to run hot water over the grill bed and then we will go from there. Now I'm going to put some dish soap on it, on this little brush, and on the grill. Nice and clean. Let's clean the little black pan. Our metal pan. I'm going to take a damp paper towel to wipe the grease out and then we'll clean it. Nice and clean. Let's clean the lid. Nice clean lid. I'm going to use a damp cloth just to wipe the outside of the heating element. Now I'm just going to gently wipe through the bottom of the actual grill. I will dry these and then let them air dry a little more and put it back together and put it away. It took about 5 to 7 minutes to clean this grill, and I don't think that's bad at all. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.